In this video, we are going to understand about power and torque of a vehicle in the most simplest way. So let's start with torque. Torque is the twisting force in the wheel and power is the rate at which a work is done. Torque can be converted into power by using chains and gears. So the formula of power is power equals to torque multiplied by RPM of the engine. Let's now consider an example. We will be taking two cars. Both the cars are exactly identical, except for car 1 has power of 200 and torque 100, and car 2 has power of 100 but torque 200. So which one do you think will reach the finish line first if put in a race? Pick your guess and let's see who wins. We see that the blue car wins because it has twice the power as that of the second car. And we know that power is equal to rate at which a work is done. Okay, since the blue car had twice the power, it could move from point A to point B in a shorter time, meaning in more speed. But there are other points too that we need to consider before we draw any conclusion. For that, let's jump on to our next example. We have the same two cars, but this time we are going up a mountain. So pick your guess which car will win the race. We see that the car having more torque wins the race because this time the car is moving up a slope, which requires more torque in its wheel to move its own weight and act against the gravity. Even though the first car had more power, it was not able to move quickly because it didn't have enough torque to move up the climb. In our third and final example, we have tied the same cars, to big weights. So which one do you think will win the race? By this time, I am sure you were able to guess it right. The car with more torque wins the race. Since it has better low end torque, it was able to pull the weight as compared to the car with more power. After considering the following examples, we see that different vehicles have different characteristics. A pickup truck doesn't need to win a race, it needs to carry heavy loads. A sports car doesn't need to pull hundreds of kilos, but it needs to be quick. Hence the manufacturer tunes the engine to suit its purpose. One cannot say torque is more important than power or power is more important than torque. Each one is interrelated and interdependent on each other, and the numbers depend on what type of car or vehicle it is. This video is intended just to give the very basic idea about torque and power. There is so much more than what we just discussed, and we won't be getting into these details because it will make the video so much longer. This video is just to clarify what effect torque and power has on your vehicle. Hope this video was helpful. Hit the like icon, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends if you find this interesting. I will see you on the next video. Till then, take care and learn something new. Bye.